Welcome to MirrorFly, a unified communications product for real-time chat, audio, and video calls SDK. In this video, we shall deep dive to see how to integrate the MirrorFly UIKit SDK in React platform. You can easily set up pre-built UI components for chat and calls features. Our MirrorFly UIKit comes with customizable themes and color sets that easily develop your chat app with all essential messaging features. You should also be aware of some of the basic requirements before you start working on the React integrations. Before moving into the integration part, you need to know about the SDK license key to initiate chat. You can get a valid license key from the MirrorFly user console or dashboard. You would need to be a registered user to access the console. Since I am already a registered user, I'm logging into the MirrorFly user console. In the overview page, you could find the license key and API base URL. You would need them in your project to initiate the chat. Also, you can get access to the sample project source, SDK files, and API credentials to test your integrations. Let's start the Chat SDK integrations. First step, create a new React project by opening Terminal. We can create a new React project using npx create React app command. Here, I choose my app as the name for my sample project. The above command will take some time to install the React and to create a new project with the name my app. The above screen tells that the React project is created successfully on our system. Now created the default files and folders successfully. Type the following command in the terminal to move to the My App directory. Now we need to start the server so that we can access the application on the browser. Run this command npm start to execute the React application. Wow, successfully created the React application. Now moving to second step. Install the app using npm package. Copy the MirrorFly UIKit package. Install the UIKit in my application terminal. The installation process might take some time to complete. Now our MirrorFly UIKit is installed successfully. Now the node modules will have a MirrorFly UIKit folder and package.json is added with the MirrorFly UIKit dependency. In step 3, import ChatApp component from the MirrorFly UIKit package in node modules. Import ChatApp component in app.js file. In step 4, import bundle.css from the MirrorFly UIKit package that you have installed. Import bundle.css in app.js file. CSS code are bundled in our UIKit package. Add the ChatApp component code in app.js file inside the return method. If you're a sandbox user, set as true, otherwise set as false. That is when you go live, you need to set this false. Copy the license key details, can get it from the overview section in the MirrorFly console dashboard. Paste the license key in ChatApp component. Now copy the API URL. Paste the API URL in ChatApp component. Give the user identifier as a unique ID to register the user. We accept only the alphanumeric string, so don't use any special characters in the user identifier. Now run the application on browser. Now displaying the recent chat. Tapping the icon in the top right corner, the app lands into the chat page with all the registered users using the same license key. Then you can select users you wish to start your chat enter your first message, and send. You've successfully sent your first message with MirrorFly. Great. Also, option to change the theme of your screen between dark theme and light theme as you wish. Let's now move to how to do the custom conversation page. If the user needs chat conversation page alone, then initialize custom conversation in ChatApp component. Paste in app.js file. The user ID represents another user. To start with chat, you have to give the user a registered username. Username is always a phone number or string. Do not use any special characters in the username. Call the custom conversation component in ChatApp component. You can chat with the particular user alone. The conversation value represents true. It shows the conversation page alone. Otherwise, set as false. It shows recent chat and conversation screen. We can also use to import Web SDK methods from MirrorFly UIkit. The below code represents the import SDK methods from MirrorFly UIkit. Use prime functionality of MirrorFly outside the UIkit functions. You can also integrate our Chat UIKit SDK for other frameworks like Angular and Vue.js. We are now end of the quick start section in integrating the UIKit SDK. Hope this video is useful for your chat integration process. Please feel free to reach us for any support by raising a support ticket from your console. Thank you.